Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a very important secret. Do you want to know why you sometimes feel full of energy to study and why you sometimes want to stop? We are going to look at the big ideas from a famous book called Drive by Daniel Pink. Drive is another word for motivation. In this video, I will show you how to find a deep energy that never dies. I will help you understand your mind and your heart. This is for you if you want to learn English faster and feel happy every day. I will use very simple English. I will not use difficult words. I will speak slowly so you can understand everything. Let us start this journey together right now. Many people think that humans are like machines. They think we only move if we get a reward or if we are afraid of a punishment. This is an old idea. It is called the carrot and the stick. If a donkey sees a carrot, it moves forward to eat it. If a donkey sees a stick, it moves forward because it is afraid of the hit. Some people study English like this. They study because they want a high grade. That is the carrot. They study because they are afraid of a bad score. That is the stick. But you are not a donkey. You are a human being with big dreams and a creative heart. Carrots and sticks work for simple tasks like cleaning a floor, but carrots and sticks do not work for big tasks like learning a new language. In fact, scientists found that if you give people money to solve a fun puzzle, they actually do a worse job. The money makes the fun feel like work. The reward kills the joy. There are two kinds of motivation. The first kind is called extrinsic motivation. Extra means outside. This is when you do something because someone else wants you to do it. You do it for money. You do it for prizes. You do it because you do not want to get in trouble. This motivation is like a battery. It works for a short time, but then it dies. It makes you feel tired. The second kind is the best kind. It is called intrinsic motivation. In means inside. This is the energy that comes from your own heart. You do it because you love it. You do it because it makes you feel free. You do it because you want to understand the world. This motivation is like the sun. It gives energy every single day and it never runs out. To have this strong energy, you need three things. You need autonomy, you need mastery, and you need purpose. Let us look at what these words mean for your life. Let us talk about group projects. Imagine a student named Leo. Leo is in a class with 4 other people. The teacher says they must work together to build a model bridge. Leo feels bored. He feels bored because he has no autonomy. Autonomy means freedom to choose. The teacher told him exactly what to do. Leo feels like a robot. But then imagine a different student named Maria. Maria is in a group project too. Her teacher says you can choose any topic you like. You can use any materials you want. Maria feels excited. She feels light. She has autonomy. She chooses to make a project about space. Because she chose it, her brain stays awake. She works hard and she does not feel tired. If you want to stay motivated to learn English, you must find your own autonomy. Do not only do what the teacher says. Choose a book that you like. Choose a video that makes you laugh. When you make the choice, you find the energy. Now, let us talk about talking to professors. This is about the second big idea, mastery. Mastery means getting better and better at something. Imagine a student named Sam. Sam goes to see his professor because his English is difficult. He feels sad because he makes mistakes. The professor is very kind. The professor tells Sam to look at how much he has grown. 1 year ago, Sam could not say a full sentence. Now, Sam can have a conversation. This feeling of progress is mastery. Mastery is a journey. It is not a place where you finish. It is a mountain with no top. You just keep climbing, and the view gets better. We feel the happiest when we are in the zone of mastery. This is when a task is not too easy, but not too hard. If Sam reads a baby book, he is bored. If Sam reads a medical book, he is stressed. But when Sam reads a story for beginners, he feels proud. He understands some things, but he learns new words too. That is the sweet spot for your brain. Always look for the medium level of difficulty. This will help you feel the joy of mastery every day. Next, let us think about giving presentations. Giving a presentation is scary for many people. Imagine a woman named Anna. Anna has to speak in front of 50 people at her job. She is very nervous. Her hands are shaking. But then Anna thinks about the third big idea, purpose. Purpose is the deep reason why you do something. Anna is not giving the presentation to look smart. She is giving the presentation because she wants to help her company save the environment. This is a big purpose. When Anna thinks about helping the earth, her fear becomes small. Her purpose is bigger than her fear. If you feel scared to speak English, remember your purpose. Do you want to help your family? Do you want to travel to see the world? Do you want to make new friends? Your purpose is your anchor. It keeps you strong when the water is rough. Write down your purpose and look at it every morning. Finally, let us talk about networking. Networking is about meeting new people to help your career. Imagine a man named David. David goes to a big meeting. He wants to meet a famous manager. He feels extrinsic motivation. He thinks, if I meet this person, I will get a better job and more money. But David feels very nervous and he does not know what to say. He feels like he is wearing a mask. Now imagine another man named Thomas. Thomas goes to the same meeting, but Thomas has intrinsic motivation. He is curious. He truly wants to learn about other people. He asks simple questions because he is interested. He says, "Hello, my name is Thomas. What is your story?" Because he wants to learn from his heart, he is not nervous. He is being himself. People like Thomas more than David. People can feel when your motivation is real. When you network with your heart, you build real connections. You do not need big words. You only need to be curious. You can use these 3 ideas every day. Ask yourself, do I have autonomy today? Did I make a choice? Ask yourself, am I seeking mastery? Am I a little bit better than yesterday? Ask yourself, what is my purpose? Why am I doing this? When you have these 3 things, you will never need a carrot or a stick. You will move forward because you want to move forward. You will study English because it is part of who you are. I am so proud of you for watching this long video. It shows that you want to grow. It shows that you have a heart for learning. Do not be hard on yourself if you feel tired sometimes. Just remember the sun inside you. Remember your intrinsic motivation. You are doing a great job. I am here to help you on this journey. We can learn and grow together. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends about our lessons. We want to help as many people as possible to feel confident in English. Please write a comment below. Tell me, what is your big purpose for learning English? I want to read your stories. It helps me stay motivated too. Thank you for your time and your curiosity. Keep practicing. Keep choosing your own path, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now, my friends.